Hello everyone, here in this video we are going to discuss how we can install CapCut video editor on Chromebook. So with that being said, let's get started. Before installing CapCut video editor on your Chromebook, make sure you are running the latest version of Chrome OS on your device. For that, click on launcher icon, open settings. Now click on about Chrome OS and click on check for updates. Once you have updated your device, click on App Launcher, open Apps and Games application. It is the App Store for your Chromebook. Here simply search for CapCut and from the search result, select it. Here you will get two installation options. If you want to install Android version of CapCut, then you can simply click on Get from Google Play. And if you want PWA version of CapCut, simply click on Install from Web. Now to install Android version of CapCut, you have to enable Google Play service on your Chromebook. So we already have a video on it, so I'll provide the video link in the I button or you will get the video link in the description box. Now simply select the version you want to install. Here you will get the installation window, click on Install button and wait for the installation process to complete. Once done, simply close the window. Now to open it, click on App Launcher icon. And here you will get the CapCut application. If you don't want to install CapCut application, then you can also use it on your Chromebook. For that, simply open Chrome browser and visit CapCut.com. Don't worry about the link, I'll provide it in the description box. Now click on Try CapCut Online. Now log into CapCut. And here we have the online CapCut video editor. Using it, you can edit your video. If you want, you can install PWA version. On the address bar, you will get install button. Simply click on it, then click on install to install CapCut as a PWA. So here we have the application. If you want, you can pin this application to Chromebook itself. For that, right click on it, then click on pin. Now you can use the shortcut to open CapCut video editor and use it to edit your video on Chromebook. So that's it. These are the methods to install and use CapCut video editor on Chromebook. I hope this video was helpful to you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Bye for now. See you next video.